Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap this week's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. Well guys, as the title of this video says, what the hell is going on in small caps? Quite frankly, not much. I am just not seeing any stock right now that I want to take a position in, long or short. I guess I'm going to have to shell out $30 a month and join some of these YouTubers' Discord rooms as they keep saying they are capturing winner after winner. I look at all the top gainers and all I see is pump and dump. They open near the highs and sell off. If you weren't in the pre-market, and when I say pre-market, that's in the 5 to 10 minutes when the news hit, you lost money. And right now, the only real strategy that's working right now is selling rallies. So if you're a short seller, this is a great market to be in. Yesterday's big gappers were MLTX and MEDS. Both were shorts at the open. Today they had bounces, but if you were playing from the long side either day, it was just stressful trading. And I don't do stressful trading. Either a trade works out for me, because I look at also time, how long I'm in the trade. If a trade is, if it goes against me right away, I'm out. I just cut my loss and move on. I don't wait around for a small loss to turn into a big loss. If it's, like I said, if it's bouncing around, that means it could go either way. And that's, a coin flip, and I don't want to be doing coin flips. I've been doing this long enough that, I know I'd rather be happy with a small loss than a big loss. And, I know you're not supposed to ever say you have losers on YouTube and FinTwit because, all these guys on FinTwit, on YouTube, they never have a loser ever. It's just these guys are making millions and millions of dollars, every month, and, they're just absolutely crushing it. And, today, look at BDTX. If you went long at the open, here's the 5-minute chart. The trade, it had a pivot high at 425, pulled all the way back to 315. The trade, if you bought at the open, it didn't start working out till after 12. And that is just stressful, trading. That's a long time to be in a volatile small cap. As I said, it could go either way. And, my biggest fear, when it comes to trading is I just don't want to become a bag holder. Because that's what happens. What's going on right now, stocks are getting bid up pre-market where volumes are light, and then as soon as the market opens, they are dumping their longs or going short. There's a lot of traders, they don't trade pre-market because they know the volumes are light, a lot of manipulation. But as soon as the regular market opens, they're hitting, hitting bids, going short right away. And that has been an effective strategy for a lot of guys. And, I'm not going to, it's not how I trade, not what I like to do. Depending on the situation. But again, that's some people, that's all they do. I learned a long time ago, adapt to current market conditions. There are times right now, like for instance, there's guys, like I said, all they do is short the opens. That works until it doesn't work. And, all it takes is, one big loser. I mean, remember the Trump SPAC, DWAC? I'll never forget it. Opened at $13, ran all the way to 100. There was a lot of guys carted out in body bags. A lot of shorts got destroyed in that name. And, I hope those days come along because, there's a lot of people, they're afraid to go short. They don't know. They don't. They don't want to do it. They simply want to go long, buy it, and then ride the wave. And right now we are not in that market. We'll know when that market comes. I mean, you're going to see runner after runner. I mean, and when I say runner, a stock will open at $4, and then that is the low of the day. For me, if you ask me what is my favorite, I love when a stock opens at the low of the day and then just rallies throughout the day. That is the sweet spot. That's what we're all trying to find. And right now, it's just not there. It's very, very choppy trading. It's very tough right now. Cash is a great position right now. Pick your spots and wait. July 4th holiday week, is next week. We got we're in the summer months. We're a little bit of the summer doldrums. Don't stress. Markets will get hot, and we, it could be even next week, right after July 4th, market gets hot. I don't know. You cannot predict that. You cannot time, when a market gets hot. You just adapt to the current market conditions. And that is what's worked for me, for a long, long time. I've been doing this, over 20 years. So again, that's what works. With that being said, what is working right now? What are some stocks that have been running? FNGR, finger motion. This has been a nice winner. We've been talking about this one since $1.50. But it is looking toppy here. We had a red day here on the candlestick. RSI is looking overbought, so it is looking toppy here. Same with BIG. I've been talking about this one since $5. We're here at 9.15, but the RSI is not as overbought, but again, just up fractionally, just under 5%. Let's see how it plays out. It needs to get above $10 to make a run towards the 1227 pivot high. But right now, Bitcoin names, Bitcoin small caps are working. MARA, I said the other day, this is my top favorite among the Bitcoin small caps, has a high short interest, making a nice move here. BTBT, I like this one up here near the highs. So again, with Bitcoin around 30,500, if Bitcoin starts selling off, these names will start selling off. So Bitcoin is your proxy when it comes to trading these names. HUT, I really like this one. HIVE. So again, these were all, HIV up 10%, HUT 11%, BTBT 11%, MARA up 13%. Again, not huge gains, but you take what you can in this market. Two names that I really like, I've traded them from both the long and the short side, Carvana and AI. Extremely volatile trading. These are names that I don't believe in putting positions on. I think these are trade them, don't own them. Play them from both the long and the short side, and you can make a lot of money. But tomorrow, things I'll be watching, Micron, due to report earnings tomorrow, has the conference call after the bell. That's going to be a big mover. Micron Technology, MU, put that on your watch list. TOVX, an 82-cent penny stock, had news after the bell. They announced orphan drug designation granted by the U.S. FDA for VCN-01 for the treatment of pancreatic cancer. Big news. Hopefully they don't do an offering. I'll be watching this one tomorrow. Put this one on your radar screen, TOVX, for tomorrow. Says here they got cash, so certainly, and no debt, so let's hopefully there is no offering. And there's also been recent insider buying. CEO and CFO, he's been buying 69 cents, 63 cents, some at $1, so that's always a good sign to see insider buying. And speaking of insider buying, the big boy is back. This guy, Dustin Moskovitz, President, CEO, and chair of Asana, ASAN. I mean, this guy is just, he's worth like $12 billion. He's a co-founder of Facebook. He started Asana in 2008. He's now owns over 50% of the company, and he just keeps buying in the open market. So again, I think, you know, the shorts here, almost 15% of the float is short. You know, this guy just keeps buying. I think this is, you know, if you're looking for a longer term play, I don't think you can go wrong with Asana with this guy buying stock like he is. So again, he can buy the entire company. He made a deal with the board that he's not going to do that, he has independent directors. So again, it's just unbelievable. I've never seen an insider buying like this, and the guy's got deep pockets as a co-founder of Facebook, like I said, worth about $12 billion. And then, guys, for all of our watch lists and the stocks that we cover, you can go to insiderfinancial.com. They're all on the homepage. You can see the tickers are in the article. You can go and click on it, then watch the video list or see my commentary. You can go into the magnifying glass, type in any symbol, and you can see what we've had to say about these stocks. So it's all right there. Go ahead on insiderfinancial.com and check it out. But to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, and AI stocks. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Good luck tomorrow. Bye-bye.